What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be replacing some basic parts on my Infinity G20. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys might be aware that I need to replace my stereo. My cassette player broke and that's how I listen to music, so I do need to get that fixed ASAP. I'm also going to be installing some NGK spark plug wires. I found these guys at the Junkyard, so I decided to get them. I'm also going to be replacing my air filter. Now, I did get this red one, and the reason for that is because we all know that anything that's colored in red will give you 5 more horsepower without a doubt. Before you put everything back together, make sure that your cassette player or radio works. So I'm just gonna play some music here. Next, I'm gonna be installing my cheap air filter. To install these, it's pretty self-explanatory, so I don't think you guys need any help with that. Next, what we're going to do is install our NGK spark plug wires. I actually got these because they're like in mint condition. They look brand new. So we're going to be replacing these ones right here, which I don't even know what type of brand they are. Just go ahead and take one wire at a time and measure the length of it with the replacement wire. I don't know about you guys, but those NGK wires do look a lot better than the old ones. They also feel better and they look like they're better quality. If you guys did like this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.